The researchers then found something they weren't prepared for. An object, a black, perfectly spherical stone, about the size of a human skull. It emitted electromagnetic pulses, identical to the rhythm of the echo of Poseidon, the same heartbeat beneath the sea. When analyzed, the sphere showed a crystalline inner structure with symbols engraved inside, microscopic carvings that resembled both ancient Sumerian and Minoan alphabets. How could two civilizations separated by oceans share the same script? Linguists ran simulations and found fragments of translation. A message etched into the sphere: we rose with light, we fell by light, and the sea remembers. Was this the last message of Atlantis? The next phase of research took place in early 2025. The team built a frequency amplifier to interact with the sphere. When activated, it responded, sending a wave strong enough to register across global seismographs. The same frequency appeared in Antarctica. How could a signal from the Atlantic reach the South Pole? Satellite imagery revealed massive ice structures beginning to melt faster than predicted, and beneath one of them, a geometric shadow, another ring. It was identical to the one near the Azores. Two Atlantean cities, or two halves of one? Governments quickly classified the findings. The project vanished, but whistleblowers leaked fragments of the data, revealing that the two sites seemed to be connected by an electromagnetic network buried beneath Earth's crust, a planetary system, and at its center, the frequency that scientists nicknamed the pulse. When they mapped that frequency, they discovered something terrifying. It aligned perfectly with human brainwave activity. Every 26 hours, the same cycle as REM sleep. The frequency surged. Coincidence? Or could it mean that Atlantis, in some way, is still connected to us? Some theorists believe the Atlanteans harnessed energy from the Earth itself. Geomagnetic resonance, a clean, limitless power source that humanity has since forgotten. Others think the pulse is a remnant, a machine left running long after its creators vanished. But then there's the darker theory. What if the pulse wasn't a machine, but a warning system? As temperatures rise, the frequency grows stronger, as if the planet itself is trying to communicate, to awaken something buried deep beneath the crust. In late 2025, the James Webb Space Telescope detected an unusual gravitational anomaly near the Azores region. Not from above, but from below. A dense mass shifting under the seafloor. Alive? No one knows. But before the data was removed from public access, one final transmission appeared in the files. The waters will rise again. Was this just coincidence, tectonic activity, or something more? Because shortly after that, satellites detected an unexplained rise in Atlantic temperature. Localized, circular, expanding outward from the same coordinates, exactly where the first pulse began. The last recorded signal, caught by a research buoy in December 2025, carried one final coded phrase, translated using AI: "Remember the light, the sea will return." And then, silence. No more signals, no more echoes, only questions. Who were they? What did they know? And what are we standing on? Another chance, or the edge of their same fate? Perhaps Atlantis never vanished. Perhaps it's still there, waiting, beneath the waves. And maybe, just maybe, it's not done speaking.